What is going on, my people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about a couple stocks that I want you guys to be watching out for that are blowing up right now and have a big future ahead of them. Alright, so before we get started, leave a like and subscribe to this video if you enjoy, and follow me on my TikTok at Lock Finance for more videos. Alright, so let's go into the first stock here. We have Tilray, ticker symbol TLRY. Tilray is a marijuana company that has been doing very, very well over the past few months. We first got news a while back that they were going to be doing a merger with Aphria, ticker symbol APHA, I want to say it is. Now, Aphria is another marijuana company, and the two of them are going to come together to be one of the largest cannabis companies in the world. And with that news, the stock definitely popped up. It got some momentum and it got it going. The name Tilray came about, more importantly, and just the overall cannabis sector started to boom from that. And then as we kept on going along, we started to get more information about how Tilray is looking in the future of the company, how the cannabis sector itself was going to be blowing up. And now just recently today, we got this big surge up after hours yesterday and into this morning and throughout the day today that they are going to be going through and doing a cannabis distribution with the United Kingdom. The company's is Grow Pharma, and they're expected to import and distribute the company's medical cannabis products in the UK. This is big news for the company. Now we are moving away from the US and moving more towards the UK. If we check out Aphria, we can see as well they also went up around 23% on the day today. But Tilray is definitely one of the top names to be looking at right now for a cannabis sector stock. And the reason that I like this is, well, they got a big future ahead of them. They're starting to make deals all around the world right now. And also with them partnering up with Aphria, which is another huge cannabis play, I definitely like Tilray for the long term. At the rate we're going, yes, we're going to have a cool-off time period, so if you're not in the stock right now, don't bother jumping into it, okay? Because you basically missed out on the hype train. You already missed out on your opportunity to get in before the news. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. Obviously, you missed out on the news, so now we have to wait for a pullback, because every single time something runs up massively, we get a correction, and it corrects to fall downward and gives us an opportunity to buy in. So we want to wait for the stock to pull back down after its correction time frame, and then once we get into that, then we can get into the position, start adding some shares, maybe even trade off of it. We can do whatever we want, but right now it's very overextended. Obviously, price targets of over $60 or $70 is not uncommon to be seen, and definitely possible within the next few weeks to months. And obviously, this is definitely a hyped up stock because of the sector it's in, but I definitely see as this a great trading opportunity and investing opportunity for the long term for Tilray. And also Aphria, you can check that one out too, as it's a little bit slower of a mover and definitely cheaper, but it follows along with what Tilray does. Okay, so our next stock on the list here we have is BLNK, Blink Charging Company. Okay, this is a big stock to watch out for. We have been on an overall uptrend over the past few weeks and months. As you can see here, we've been hitting this resistance level. We've been in an upward wedge. We've been trading really nicely, and now we finally gotten big news today. Before the market opened, Blink said that it is in an agreement with the city of San Antonio, Texas to provide an electric vehicle charging infrastructure for the city's EVSA program. That is huge news for a startup charging company like Blink. We're up over 12% on the day. Blink, as you can see, has this resistance level right here over the wedge, and every single time we hit this resistance level, we fall off down to our support level right here. So obviously, if you asked me back here, yes, it would be a better time to buy because we didn't have any news and we were trading buyer support level. But now, because we've already gotten news and we're starting our uptrend, you might have missed out already to our full potential of upside. And I only like taking trades that I know will give me the best possible upside potential versus downward potential. If we get a pullback down to the support area, I want you to keep your eyes out for this entry point. Anywhere near our 180 SMA line right here would be a great entry point to buy into to ride either the momentum off of a trade, or if you're looking to long-term invest into it, this is another great piece of news. So if you're already into it, perfect. Stay into it. Don't bother selling. Don't bother buying more. You're already in the position. If you're not in the position yet, you're looking to start a long-term investment into it, I definitely watch for a pullback and then get into it because you're long-term. You don't care about these fluctuations as much. Definitely want to get a good deal on the play. Okay, so I only went over two stocks today, but I mean, I guess you could throw in Aphria as another one because Tilray and Aphria go hand in hand. But definitely check out Tilray, definitely check out Aphria, and then as well, Blink Charging Station. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys found this helpful. Definitely go to my TikTok. It'll be linked below. Lock Finance is the TikTok name. Give me a follow there. Check out some of my videos in there. I post a lot more on there just because it's a lot easier for me to overall upload and get those videos out to you guys. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.